Here come the dessert solar bears and Discovery Park. This right here is surf more, but look at this cat. I don't like it. I don't like it too. Look at this. Has that bump. And here it is. Oh, look at this. Got difference. Here, podium. This one here doesn't stop. Both are slowly. It's also here. Yeah, well, I'll show you. And then at the end, we'll end back down one. We don't end back down everyone because it's a ground floor in the main elevators. I'm gonna go basement. How cold is it? Man. Yeah, I'm not taking it. But I need to go out of here now. This is right here is the main elevators. So I have to go back down. Or else I will get busted. But I was going to get busted by that guy. Here you go. I get taco out. Ace. And someone just tried this. Actually, it's for the dog. Let's get back the main elevator. We'll take a while on the main elevator. That's the block elevator. You can help hide that. Oh, that's taking a while. Take back to the elevators. Where you get out? This man. It's difficult to find, by the way. Oh, and here it is. Here's the way. Here's the block. Let's skip actually 13. Never mind, I thought skip 14. Sorry. And here it is. Look at these elevators. This one doesn't have to try, but it's my favorite. Look at this. Touch. Let's go down to B. It's the beautiful mall ever. I bought it last time ago. Here, basement doesn't have the chime. This skip L3. Here at podium doesn't have the chime, so sad. Let's try to get number 41. And he coming. See off the chime work. Oh, epic fail. Sad. And I said it has difficult. It's glitchy. This ending here is glitchy. Look at it. Look at that bee. This girl of this place. I would take the one that's only 7.4. This ending here also. This ending here is some fakes. Also. Look at that again. Oh my god. Say ow. That is a P. And here is the C at the chat. Great. Epic fail. This one only accepts LT only. I like that. We'll end that down L2. Touch sensitive. I like these always. I don't know what is this. Oh, look at it. It doesn't have lanterns. Yeah, it doesn't have the lantern. And the touch buttons. You need the accent. You need to use your code to access. This is how so interesting this race is. That's the default. Let me go scare. I don't know what that is. I like these garbage. See, if I down with L2, so these are this. This is not L2. The ball definitely is L7, but I don't know where is it. So high for podium. Let's see down there. L1 riches are beautiful. These, but it's locked off. So maybe you have to go to different door. Also 2 doors. And best located near the service hall. And this was the door. This one looks like some more higher. Oh. Touch something. And we go on here. Whoa! I like that chime. Let's have the trick number. Let's go down here.
你落去喎，即係我哋幾多樓啊？我頭先幾多樓？4樓。
哦，明白。咁我想問你哋依間有冇折扣價？
This is some kind of undown placing. Actually, this goes out. The garage. Okay, guys, let's wait for the next elevator. Oh, look at these touch buttons. I like this. These are main elevators. But these two ideas here is moving up archaic decoration materials are main elevators also. So instead, these are passenger / service elevator. I don't know about. Not some controls. I like every chance. Oh, looks like this one's coming, the number 45. Both of them are L2s. Here's the 40th, 47, 45, and 46. Get the loading or unloading area. This basement one is like this touch sensitive and serious. Both of them. Oh, this one's going up, this one's coming down. These are arm sub-controls. There we go, one. We're unwinding this. I will get the main elevators. I want to take a ride. I like the passenger, but I don't want to ride the service elevator. Well, that should come. Oh, this one's on L2, so this one will come. This one there on service, so I don't want to ride else. Oh, it's coming. It's on L1, but stopping. Oh, great. Never mind. How long will one elevator is going to come? This one's on P. This one's on P. This one's on P also. Never mind, it's going down. Ah, that one's cheating. Number 58. It's in there. Service elevator. Number 58. How long these elevators are going to come? So long. So long. These are busy, by the way. So wait for longer. This again. Great. Ah, shit. This one says our service, epic fail. Are you seriously? This is going to be taking long. Hey, yo. Oh, this one's coming. Suddenly return to our service mode. Okay. This is an epic fail in Discovery Park. Main elevators. They're staying on P. Fuck you, Sheila. Something wrong with one. This one is on P. Is it coming down? Well, this stops. Maybe you want to get out. So annoying, these are. They're busy. You want to get out of here. Seriously. This one is staying on P. These always need some fix. This one I say. They need some fix help. Hey, never mind, it's coming. Stop saying everywhere. Hey, it doesn't stop B1. Inside that's the service mode, but I don't know why. How long is always going to come? This one really. No serve? I don't know. And it comes. It's taking long. Get on L2. So that's it for one. I don't know what else. There you go. Here, podium, let's go down L2. Oh my god, let's start there. So let's get on here. So tell you guys, don't come to a P. We are stopping. The motor sound great also. I like it. Yes, let's go.